Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. Today we are going to learn about past simple question. Welcome to my video. Today we are going to learn about past simple question. What is past simple question? Past simple question is when we ask a question in the past tense. Look at the note here. When we use the word did in the question, we don't have to put the D or the ED at the end of the verbs. For example, look at the example here. Did she talk to her friends or did she talk to her friends? The first one is correct. Why? Because there is the word did and she didn't put the D or the ED at the end of the verb, which is talk. The second one is incorrect or wrong. Why? Because she put the ED at the end of the verb, which is talk. Okay, that means the second one is wrong. We usually add time at the end of the question. For example, last night, yesterday, last weekend, last week, last Monday, last Saturday, last Friday. So look at the example here. What did you do last night? What did you have for dinner last night? How did Sarah come home last night? What did you watch last night? Can you see? That is the time at the end of the sentences. Last night and last weekend. Okay, so we can also use past simple question without time at the end of the question. For example, the example here, when did you buy those shoes? What did she say to you? Where did your father grow up? What did people call him? Can you see? There is no time at the end of the question. There is no last weekend. There is no last night. There is no last week. So it means that we can also use past simple question without the time at the end of the question. That's all for our today's videos. I hope you can learn something new today.
Terima kasih kerana anda telah like, share dan subscribe serta tekan tombol loceng. Bye, jumpa lagi di video akan datang.